which was asked in the JEE paper. The next one, now this is a bit technical with respect to stone masonry. Now only those who studied about what is masonry and stone masonry can answer this question. Let us look into this. There are two statements. Statement number one, stone masonry is classified into two parts, random rubble masonry and ashlar masonry. That's absolutely right. In stone masonry there are two types. You have rubble masonry, random rubble masonry, and also ashlar masonry. The basic difference between these two is, in random rubble masonry you use stones which are random and rubble in shape, so they are not perfectly dressed stones. You use stones, you compose pieces of stone just like a jigsaw puzzle and make a wall out of it. So that type of masonry where you use unfinished stone, undressed stone, is called as rubble masonry. Ashlar masonry on the other hand uses dressed stone of almost perfect shape and edges. That's the basic difference between these two categories of stone masonry. Second statement, if you see, random rubble masonry, in random rubble masonry each stone is cut into uniform size and shape with all sides rectangular so that the stones get perfect joints. This is an explanation for ashlar masonry but not rubble masonry. Rubble masonry, like I said, doesn't have rectangular edges, doesn't have sharp finished edges. So that second statement is incorrect, because what they are talking about is ashlar masonry, which uses those perfect shaped rectangular edges. So the first statement is correct and the second statement is false. The correct option, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. So that would be the answer for this particular question from the building material and construction of JEE paper 2.